And thanks for joining us tonight for the news at 6. I'm Mike Heideck.
And I'm Keisha Grant. And we begin with breaking news. A man is under arrest accused of causing a boat crash in Old Saybrook.
3 people were killed in this crash. NBC Connecticut's Melissa Cooney is live in Old Saybrook with more on the charges. Melissa.
That's right. This happened on Labor Day weekend, and officials say 9 people were on board this boat. Officials say the driver of the boat is Clayton Hackling. Hackling is being charged with 3 counts of manslaughter in the second degree with the vessel, 3 counts of reckless operation under the influence, 3 counts of reckless operation of a vessel in the second degree, and 1 count of operation of a vessel under the influence. The boat crashed into a breakwall at the mouth of the Connecticut River back on September 2nd. 6 people were rescued from the water. The bodies of the 3 men were found after extensive search efforts. Back then, investigators were looking into speed as a possible factor in this crash. And Deep says that Hackling is released after posting his $350,000 bond. He'll be in court next week. Live in Old Saybrook, Melissa Cooney, NBC Connecticut News.